In today's video, we're going to tackle that greasy engine on that Ford F250. We're going to start by making it do a little bit of work so that we can warm the engine up, and then we're going to spray it down with some citrus cleaner and hit it with the power washer. Let's get it done. Let's go ahead and get this engine soaked down with this citrus cleaner. In retrospect, this is a lot like throwing a Tic Tac in the sewer and hoping that it makes a difference. But I guess I'm getting ahead of myself.
Oh man, this stuff's like concrete. Ouch. It's nasty.
As you can see, we were only partially successful with that degrease job. We still have a lot of grease hanging on, and we still have a lot of hardened grease over here. I was doing some work on another project, and it gave me a great idea. I picked up some wheels and tires that were painted blue, and I had read something about using oven cleaner to remove paint. And I thought, you know what, if you can use oven cleaner to remove paint, which you obviously can, this is about 30 minutes of letting it sit on there, maybe I can use it to get the rest of that grease off, and I don't have to resort to the toothbrush / steam cleaner that I had planned for phase 2. So let's spray it down and see if we can make something happen here. Courtesy of Dollar General, I picked up some oven cleaner. I actually bought 3 bottles of it because I have other thoughts for this stuff. Let's give it a shot. Oh, that's not good. As far as concerns about losing the paint on the valve covers, that may or may not happen. I think if I don't let it sit too long, that I think that I'll be fairly successful in leaving the paint on there. I believe this paint's kind of baked on, and so that makes it stay on a lot longer. If I can target the oven cleaner over the grease directly, I think it'll attack the grease. I think it's a base, like you know, you have alkaline and base, and I believe it's a base, and that tends to attack oils. And so we'll see if we can keep from damaging these valve covers. What I'll probably do is let it sit for about half hour and then come back in and hit it with the power washer. Don't breathe. Oh man, this stuff works, or at least it's gonna kill me. You're supposed to wear gloves with this stuff, but I don't know about that. Just rinse my hands when I'm done, because I know that it'll start to eat my skin if it's a base. Oh, phew. This is like getting in the oven with the oven cleaner while you're spraying it. I think the directions say to start at the back of the oven and move forward, and I think there's a reason for that. It's so that you don't die. Alright, this is what we've got down here. We've made some progress, as you can see. I'm gonna have to wash my hands off because I'm getting sprayed. That can is empty. I'm setting the bezel on my watch and start counting now. We'll go 30 minutes. While I'm waiting, I kind of have an idea. We'll do a little experiment here. Alright, I'm at 25 minutes and I just can't wait, so we'll have to see what happens here. And for those of you who've been waiting for this, let's see. Well, that's a qualified success on stripping. I think it only had about maybe 15 minutes or so on there. I think if I left it on longer, it would probably come off. As for the engine, let's take a look at that. That's going to have to be after for now. We'll continue to work on it as we have time. For now, I want to wrap this video up. I appreciate you watching and watching me learn and make mistakes. But ultimately, we'll get this thing clean and leak free. Thanks again.